Alright, welcome everybody, matt4486, blowoutcards.com. This is our promo from promo number 2, break. Didn't win much this year, but we did win, paid a little bit extra, but got us a box of 2014 Museum. So we're going to break that here in a second. There's 2 loose boxes, so I just wanted to open the actual UPS box that I got. We're on Blowout today, so let me just pull this page up here real quick, sorry. Just so I can see what teams everyone had. Or when we get something. Alright. Yeah, almost had it, so would have been nice to win something a little bit bigger. It's on a bad team, but had a pretty decent season, so. I was hoping DeAndre Hopkins would, but he kind of fell off as the season went on too. Alright, so I'm assuming that they're going to be at least at the bottom, like this, left and right, or top and bottom. So if it's up top, we're going to do break number 2. If it's on the left, we're going to do break number 2. Whatever would be the first one. Alright, so it is a UPS thing here. So this top box up here, whatever this is, this top one will be. Oh, no, I'm sorry, they're left and right. So this left box here will be for promo number 2, and this other one will be for in a few seconds for promo number 3. Well, if you would have played the whole season, perhaps. That's a one box attached museum. Good luck to everybody. Not a lot of hits, but there are some nice high-end hits in here, so see what we can get. Or I don't think many people were paying attention to the thread later in the year, so 4 boxes. Alright, best of luck. If you don't want to hit, you may make it. Sometimes it's not worth the price of the extra shipping, but totally up to you. First card. What cards? Let's flip here. Alright, so it's Trey Mason, base card. Colin Kaepernick, base card. Logan Thomas, rookie. And a blue Dan Marino. Numbered 42, was 99. Blue Dan Marino. Our hit is an autograph. That's a pretty good one. Nice little patch. Devontae Adams for the Packers. 45 out of 200. That is for, as I'm looking, Falcons fan. So Falcons fan gets that one. Yeah, I got 2 teams in each. I'll send you guys out a message probably tomorrow. Seeing if you actually want these things or not. Some of you probably won't, but So it looks like another auto. Martavius Bryant rookie. Not numbered, but it is like a bronze killer. Derek Carr rookie. Bishop Sankey rookie. And a Gronkowski. And our hit, ooh, that's nice. 63/75. Mike Singletary. Mike Singletary. You have Houston and the Raiders, my friend. Mike Singletary goes to the Cubs, who is probably the Bears fan, I'm guessing. Richard Bush, Bronze Rock, Percy Harvin, Tony Romo, and Barry Sanders Museum Collection. These are cool cards. Canvas reproduction. So canvas of Barry Sanders for the Lions. Neat card. And Trey Mason, 43 out of 115. Little jumbo jersey action for the Rams. Hey, Richard Sherman, Marshawn Lynch, Bo Jackson, Cody Latimer, and our quad is, well, it's a good one. Fortunately, it'll be random, but good players on here, except for Manziel, Bortles, Wilson, and Tannehill, 4 of 50. So let's just double check. Somebody doesn't own 2 of those teams. If they do, they win the card. Cleveland Browns is a no. Jaguars is a no. Seattle, and Miami. So no, that will be randomized. So one lucky winner for that one. All right, let me save this video and we'll do the second one.